Well, it is a myth that domestic violence doesn't happen within the affluent society or in educated society, because that's a myth. It happens, it's a behavior pattern, and it happens in every community, in every strata of life, in every, it's not socio-economic problem. It happens in educated people, affluent people, in South Asians, even though they are in America, it happens here.
Slide to the left, slide to the right.
We are trying our best in this walkathon thing to raise the awareness. We need to awaken. We cannot say that it does not exist in our culture. That is a very, very wrong idea we live with. And then we should not be ashamed to come out and say that, yes, either I am abused or I know somebody who is abused.